Zebra expects new tariffs to impact its earnings by around 10% in Q2 and 5% in H2 2025, with direct costs totaling $30 million in Q2 and $70 million for the full year. Zebra is working on reducing its exposure to tariffs by diversifying its supply chain with a global network of manufacturing services and components. Although some key components can still only be found in China, Zebra's CEO Bill Burns expects their shipments into the U.S. from China to decrease from 85% to 30% by the end of Q2. Despite remaining tariff exposure, Zebra believes it won't significantly impact its business as long as the demand for data tracking services and supply chain analytics grows. Zebra is going to participate in 3 investor conferences: the Wolfe Research 18th Annual Global Transportation and Industrials Conference on May 21st at 8:35 a.m. Eastern Time in New York, the Bernstein 41st Annual Strategic Decisions Conference on May 30th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time in New York, and the William Blair 45th Annual Growth Stock Conference on June 4th at 11:20 a.m. Central Time in Chicago. The presentations will be available to listen live via the events section of Zebra Technologies' investor website, with archives for replay as well. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.